People always ask me how I film my videos for TikTok, so let me show you. I try to keep the filming process as simple as possible while also keeping it high quality. So people are always really surprised when I tell them I actually film my TikToks on my phone, not on like a DSLR or something. So I have the iPhone 12 Pro Max and I love filming with this thing. So here's what I do. Whenever I'm filming, I change this to 60 frames and then I just leave it in HD. I also like to get shots using the 3 different zooms because they all produce different looks. And doing this can make the video look a little more dynamic. I also make sure whatever I'm filming is well lit. If y'all have seen my setup, you already know I have a million lights in here, so those are always on when I'm filming something. And then I just film. I try to get nice, smooth shots, and I usually just film with my phone in my hands. I don't typically use a gimbal or anything. Unless it's an unboxing video, then I do put my phone on a tripod, something like this. And then after I get all the shots I need, I airdrop those videos over to my MacBook. This is another reason I love filming on the iPhone because airdrop makes everything so much more convenient. And then I do all my editing in Premiere Pro. If you guys want to see like my actual editing process, let me know and I can maybe make a video on that. But it's pretty simple stuff, pretty straightforward edits, nothing crazy. And then I'll just throw on a LUT to match my TikTok aesthetic. And then I export it and airdrop it back to my phone. Like seriously, airdrop is so convenient. Now, once we're on TikTok, this is the major key. After you upload, pick your music and your hashtags and everything, you have to click more options and make sure allow high quality uploads is turned on. Your video might take a little bit longer to process, but this will give you the higher quality upload. So your video retains its quality and looks great. And then after all that, post it. Like I said, the processing time might take a little bit longer. So when you first post your video, it might not look that great. Give it a little bit and it will turn out fine. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. It's free. And if you have any other questions about how I TikTok, you can leave those in the comments below. I'll have both of my TikToks. Yes, I have 2 linked in the description with all of my other socials if you want to check them out. Bye.